If you have a rich collection of images, you can import them into ActivePresenter as slides. Access the Home or Insert tab, click on this button, and select Slides from Images. Click on this button to import images from your computer. To delete any image from the list, select it and click this button. Besides, you can also change the order of the selected image by moving it up, or moving it down. To flip the image, click Flip Horizontal, or Flip Vertical. You can also rotate the image 90 degrees, to the right, or to the left. If you select this checkbox, ActivePresenter will insert each image as an object to its corresponding slide. Then, you can edit the image later. Otherwise, ActivePresenter will import each image as the slide's background by default. That's it.